Tangsalo Sabroom Bwkhakste Nainani Thangkha MP Kriti Singh Debbarma Azrao Binilogio Manjaka South Tripura Jila Parishad ni Asufang Dipok Dotto District Magistrate Mohammed Shahzad P Mono Assembly Constituency MLA Maila Fromok SDM Chibjoti Dotto Sabroom Nagar Panchayat Chairperson Ramapodar Sachan Block Panchayat Committee Chairperson Probas Lote SDFO Siddhar Debbarma ko song Asal Sabroom ni kadal Integrated Checkpost Bharat Bangla Moitri Setu te Kalapania Natural Park Abni Yagolono Aroni Kusok Ozamaroni Shamuk Kleine Rockby Oklam Shaka MP Kriti Singh Debbarma Athai Rockno Bahike Naitotoke Snam Saknaite Boba Hai Tang Batang Yakon Harsaknai Abunuti Shazaka Koklam
वेस्ट मत करो पैसा वैसा है पर इतना अच्छा व्यू का जगह है
हाँ मैम उधर से इसको मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट का डीएम में 1 महीना हो गया मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ
Abni aglo Sabroom Bwkhakste ni nungsangnai tuino khoboi te kubonai kol mungno tuyebo khlaisakha koklam panda asla MP Kriti Singh ni manjak mungo sajakha dalbidal koklam
थैंक यू वेरी मच बहुत सुंदर जगह है और ये जगह में पोटेंशियल भी बहुत है और मुझे लगता है कि अगर ये एक लर्निंग सेंटर हमारा त्रिपुरा का साउथ का एक टूरिज़्म एरिया को भी हम लोग डेवलप कर सकते हैं with multi-facets for learning for children also and learning about the environment here and a nice place to just relax and do meditation. I think this is a beautiful place hidden in the jungles of Tripura and we have a young dashing DM of our place and we have got people like officers from the department who are very keen to develop this area. So I let them give me ideas and let's see if we can develop this place in the next coming years. It will be very good for the youth also and it will be very good business for the state as well. Thank you.
Ashla Manjaka Youth Tripura Jila Parishad ni Asufang Dipok Dotto District Magistrate Mohammed Shahzad P Mono Assembly Constituency MLA Maila Fromok SDM Chibjoti Dotto Sabroom Nagar Panchayat Chairperson Ramapodar Sachan Block Panchayat Committee Chairperson Probas Lote SDFO Siddhar Debbarma ko song Bureau Report Chini Khorang